shit. Oh, fuck. Yo. Oh, shit. Yo. Oh. You need help? Fuck. Lift. Where's the kickstand? You got it on the kickstand? Yeah. Oh shit. Damn.
Please tell me
Let's get it out. He went down, hit this guy, and everyone slammed on their brakes. So I tried to slam on my brakes.
Damn.
What happened?
So everyone like slowed down real fast and he couldn't stop, skidded, hit someone, and then everyone started hitting each other. I got all that shit on video.
Really?
Is it flashing? Yeah, I got that on video. Fuck. He couldn't stop because everyone stopped and then everyone just started hitting each other.
Who couldn't stop?
He couldn't stop. Cause you know how everyone just fucking stopped? Yeah.
But you need to listen and then try to take a breath through your nose and out of your mouth. Think about taking a breath in.
Give me a little bit
I
before you
know.
go.
No, we're not going to do anything that you don't want to do. But you need to focus on taking a breath in and taking a breath out. Focus on taking a breath in and focus on taking a breath out.
He needs to open up his diaphragm. He needs to put his hands over his head.
Okay?
Can you stand up, man?
No.
Did I fall hard?
I don't know.
Yeah, you felt pretty good, bro.
You help him out of the street, though. Probably got a concussion. Over there to the side.
Wait, don't let him get it by himself.
No. Some car comes over here, bro.
Ooh, shh.
Somebody else
Dang it.
on the side of the road. Anywhere but right here on this exit.
Damn.
Then we'll do that to the shoulder. Ready? Come on, bro. Just lean on me, man. Are you still dizzy, bro?
Is everyone's bike good? He couldn't stop and he hit someone and then everyone hit each other.
Somebody got it, water?
See if it starts.
Does anyone have any water? No. Yeah, you got
Yeah, we got water.
You got water? Come.
We can eat a Coke. Everybody cut a Coke.
You got exhaust out on the wheel? Yeah, the exhaust on the wheel. It has a tilt sensor. It's not going to start for 10 minutes.
Guys, before we go now, we gotta go.
Hey, the parking lot, as you go left, the second line, left, you get this brake right here. That's the parking lot we're going to. Everybody go up there. There we go to this parking lot.
I got that all on video. He almost hit me.
Where's your bike at?
Right here. He didn't hit me. It was, dude, he slid literally like 2 feet away from me, if that. I got all of it on video.
I thought like...
God damn, that was bad. Damn. shit.